Xiaomi is moving faster than expected, pulling the curtain back on the Xiaomi 17 series earlier than rumored. While leaks suggested September 29, the company has confirmed a September 25, 2025 launch in China. This year's flagship trio, Xiaomi 17, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max, comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, a chip that Xiaomi secured in an exclusivity deal. Rivals won't be able to use it until after October, giving Xiaomi a rare first-mover advantage. The standard Xiaomi 17 has been officially showcased, and it's clear the design has shifted. Gone is the squared camera island from the 15 series. In its place sits a rounded Squircle module, similar to Apple's iPhone 16 Pro. The new layout houses a 3-camera setup and flash within the island, giving it a compact, modern look. Unlike its Pro siblings, the base model skips the secondary display, but with reports pointing to a 6.3-inch display and balanced design, it's aimed squarely at users who want premium hardware in a smaller form factor. The Pro and Pro Max, however, are where Xiaomi is swinging hardest. Their defining feature is the magic back screen, a secondary display embedded into the rear camera module. More than a visual flourish, it can show the time, run animations, control music, manage calls, provide travel info, and serve as a live viewfinder for selfies using the main cameras. This is the kind of practical, experimental feature Apple has consistently avoided, and Xiaomi is betting that it will resonate with users looking for something fresh. Performance is guaranteed with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and the entire lineup will run on HyperOS 3, Xiaomi's refined software platform. The Pro Max stands out with a massive 6,300 mAh battery, far ahead of the iPhone 17 Pro Max's 5,088 mAh, signaling that Xiaomi is prioritizing endurance as much as speed. This, combined with Leica-powered cameras and software optimizations, makes the Pro Max the centerpiece of the launch. Xiaomi has leaned into comparisons with Apple, with President Liu Weibing even posting a side-by-side video of the 17 Pro Max next to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. He dismissed accusations of copying, pointing instead to Xiaomi's Mi 11 Ultra as the real influence. Yet branding decisions like swapping Ultra for Pro Max suggest Xiaomi is intentionally positioning itself head-to-head against Apple's lineup, sparking debate over whether it's strategy or imitation. As for pricing, Xiaomi is keeping things steady despite all the new tech. The 17 Pro is expected between $700 and $850, while the 17 Pro Max will land between $850 and $1,000. With pre-orders already underway and the official release locked for September 25, Xiaomi is offering top-tier performance and unique design at a price that undercuts Apple, making this launch one of the most aggressive plays in the flagship market this year.